a very common type of plant that grows out in these open fields and ditches and natural prairies is this particular plant called goldenrod. Now, this has a lot of medicinal and useful purposes behind it. However, it does have a couple poisons look-alike, so I want you to familiarize with those first. And one is called ragwort, and the other is called groundsel. There's other species of yellow flowering plants that kind of resemble it, but once you are familiar with the flowering clusters of goldenrod and the very interesting smell that the plant has, you'll very easily be able to distinguish it from the poisonous lookalikes. One easy way to distinguish goldenrod from the lookalikes, other than its flowers, is to take a leaf, crush it up, and it has a scent that's kind of a anise, licorice, kind of a saltyish kind of a scent to it. So the first thing you'll notice about goldenrod is it grows about 3 to 5 feet tall. It has alternating leaves. They go all the way up the stem. They alternate all the way around it. And the flowering heads are clusters of very small flowers. And they can be really dense. And especially from a distance, it'll look like an ocean of yellow. All goldenrod but one is yellow. And the one that's not is white. But I'm talking about the yellow goldenrod today. And it flowers from August into October, depending on where you live. Now, goldenrod can be used to make a particularly healthy and medicinal tea. You can use the leaves or you can use the flowering heads. I like using the flower heads. I feel like it tastes better. You can cook the leaves just like you would spinach. And a lesser known fact about goldenrod is that when you're looking at the stems, you'll find where different parts of it, or different ones, will have these round knots in them. Now, these round knots actually have a grub in them, and when you cut this knot off and you cut it open, there's a little grub in there. And you can eat the grub for the protein, or you can use it as fishing bait to catch you a fish.
So one of the many benefits to goldenrod tea and other medicinals in this area is most of them are diuretic, and goldenrod is no exception. Now, a diuretic means it flushes your system really quick. Goldenrod also has anti-inflammatory properties, as well as many others. It's really great as a tea, and it's also a nutritious tea. And by using the flower heads, it actually has a fairly pleasant taste to it. It's still a little on the hot side. I'm gonna let that cool down. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you're new to the channel, hit the bell icon down below. You'll get notified every time to upload a new video. And I'll see y'all in my next video.